Yeah. This is the sound of the streets. Come. This is the sound. Yeah. Concrete echoes in my brain. Sirens crying through the rain. Every corner knows my name. Every loss and every gain. Broken dreams in every lane. Hustle hard, ignore the pain. City never sleeps, no break. Every move's a risk we take. Feel the pressure in my chest. No retreat, no second guess. This is the street frequency. Hear the sound inside of me. Every voice, every beat. From the ground beneath my feet. Street frequency. Turn it loud. We don't blend inside the crowd. From the dark, from the heat. This is where the real ones meet. Neon lights and shadow plays. Lost in endless city maze. Every night feels like a test. Every step, no time to rest. Voices echo through the block, ticking like a broken clock. We don't stop, we don't fold. Every story must be told. This is the street frequency. Hear the sound inside of me. Every voice, every beat. From the ground beneath my feet. Turn it up. Feel the bass. Every heartbeat. Every place. Street frequency. Street frequency. Hear the sound. We rise up from underground, from the noise, from the heat. We become the street frequency. Street.